Hello, amazing students. Welcome to Omodiagbo Maths class. I am your tutor, Mr. Omodiagbo, and today we will make maths very, very easy.
Hello, my amazing students. You're welcome to Omodiagbo Maths class. My name is Omodiagbo. Today, we're going to make mathematics fun. We are starting with the first topic, place value system. So sit down and relax, get your pen and your note ready. We're about to start the class now. Yeah, a quick question. If I give you 12 naira and I give your friend 21 naira, among them, who has more money? Of course, it's your friend. But why? Why is your friend having this more money? Both of them have 1 and 2. So the difference is what? Place value. Place value. Where the number is placed is different. So this is called place value. So I want us to fix this problem, because if we miss this topic, other topic in mathematics will be very difficult. So today, let us fix it. So what is place value?
What is the place value system? It is how we determine numbers. Each position holds a specific value, like hundreds, tens, and ones. It's that simple. It is the value of each digit. For example, in 235, 3 means 30. Ever wonder how numbers are built? The place value system assigns a specific value to each digit, based on its position, like hundreds, tens, or ones. It makes big numbers easy to read. What is the place value system? It's where a digit's position determines its actual value, like hundreds, tens, and ones. By the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Tell the place value of any number, and 2. Write any number in expanded form. Simple.
Yeah. In maths, digits have a house. Well, unit, house, tens, house, 100 house, then 1,000 house. So the range of unit is between 0 to 9.9. The tens is between 10 to 99.9. The hundreds is between 100 and 999.9. Then let's take thousands is between 9.99. So each of this number belongs to a particular house. So unit is for units, this is for tens, this is for 100, and this is for 1,000. So how are we going to place this number? Let's take example 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's place them into their house. Now, if we take the first one, which is 7, if 7 go into this house, it falls within this range. So the value there is just 7. So the value is 7. Now let's go to 6. 6. Check where 6 is placed. 6 is placed between 10 to 9.9, which is under tens. So this place, the value of this one is going to be 6, 10, 6, 10, 6, 10, 6, 10. So it will be 6, 10, 6, 10, which is equal to what? 60. So the value of 6 is placed under tens, 6 tenths. So the value is equal to 60. Now let's take the one of 5. The 5, where 5 is placed is between this place 100 and 999.9. So where is it placed? It's between hundreds. So here it's going to be 500, 500, 500s. So the value of this 5 here is equal to what? 500, because it's placed under 100, 500. Now let's come to what? The last one, which is 4. Where is 4 placed? 4 is placed between thousands, thousands, thousands. So the value of this 4 here now, it will 4,000, 4,000, 4. So it's placed at what? The 4,000. This is one of the objectives I said earlier that we're going to talk about. So you can see the same number, but their place, where their place is what? Different. So that number has changed because of where it is placed. So that's what we call place value system. So it depends where the number is placed. That number 4, that was 4, can be 40. That same 4 can be what? Thousands. It can be tens of thousands. Now it depends where the number is placed. This is the first example. Let's take another example to explain this objective.
What is the place value of 9 in 45? Let's look at the last digit. The 9 is in the ones place, so its value is just 9. What's the place value of 7? Let's focus on this digit. It is in the tens position, so it's 770. Let's take a look at example 4. What is the place value of 6 in 45,000? Since it's in the hundreds column, its value is 600. That is our final answer. Let's find the place value of 5. In 45,679, the 5 is in the thousands place, so its value is 5,000. Welcome to example 6. What is the place value of 4 in 40,679? The 4 is in the 10,000s place, so its value is 40,000.
Now, how to write 6,473 in an expanded form? Very simple. Now, since you have learned how number place value system works, so we'll break it down. So this one becomes 6,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 3. If we add it together, you're going to have 6,473. So we have put it in an expanded form. So this is how to write it in an expanded form. So let's take another example. Another one. Write what is 7,521 in expanded form. Again, this one becomes 7,000 plus 500 plus 20, then plus 1. When you put them together, you have 7,521. So this is the final answer in expanded form. Thank you. Let's take another example.
Let's write 6,003 in expanded form. That's 6,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 3. And that is how you do it. Let's write 8,888 in expanded form. First, we have 8,000, then 800, and finally 8. Let's write 8,684 in expanded form. That's 8,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 4. And that is how you do it.
Now it is your turn for you to solve. Now solve this one. What is the value of 6 in 56,234? Number 2, write 9,1 182 in expanded form. So pause the video and try to solve it. I'm waiting for you. Let's quickly do the recap of what we have learned from the beginning of the class. 1. Every digit has a house. That means all the numbers have their own house. 2. A value depends on its own house. That's no matter what we discuss. The last one is the expanded form is just breaking down the number into their values. We have talked about this point, and this is the last part of the class. Yeah, if you got the task correctly, congratulations. But if you did not get the task, rewind the video and watch it all over again. In our next video, we will tackle subtraction and addition. So see you then. I am Omode Agbon, your maths tutor. Bye.